My name is Madolynn and we're going to go ahead and do a lobster tail braid today. So to start off, we're going to just take this top section and we're going to bring it off to the side we want the braid to start at. Just use a clear band to just secure that top layer. And I always kind of look to the front, make sure we have the shape that we want, because after we get the braid in, we won't be able to adjust this quite as much. Like everything nice and loose. So the first section here, we're going to just split in two. Pull right through. And it's going to look tight at first, but once we get all the bands in, we're going to go back and loosen it up. In the second section, the same thing. You're just going to take a nice big section, put it right over the top. Alright, now with this next section, we're going to go back to that original ponytail that we made, and we're going to also split that in two. And we're going to grab new hair from each side and add to it. Bring it right over the top there. Use a clear band again. Now as you're going down, I always like to try and tighten it off towards the face here, because then it's going to lay nicely on the front shoulder. So again, we're going to skip this top layer. That underneath ponytail, split it in two. Grab from each side. Perfect. So now that we have all the hair binders in, we're going to go ahead and go back and we're just going to start piecing it apart. I usually like to start at the top because then you can really get the shape in. The more the merrier, the bigger the better. The more undone it looks, the better. And even if it looks really loose, because you have so many binders in there, go ahead and pull it apart even more. This ponytail, I love just having some ends out to soften it up. We're going to go ahead and put a scarf on here, but you could also go ahead and just take a little piece of the hair, wrap it around, you can pin that.